So I'm an instructor and a researcher at the College of New Caledonia. I've been working in forest resources, in particular the forest health, for the last almost 35 years. So the activities we focused on were natural activities like creating a bee house, or watching wildlife videos that were taken with trail cameras. So, and then the other one was working with the culinary or professional chef program, where they made scones, and then we had interactions with the seniors and then shared the scones with them. So very natural activities that the seniors could really relate to. They were really positive. I think they really enjoyed that we were interested in them first and foremost, and we were really interested in just a simple activity and something that they could relate to. So the scones were wonderful because you could tell they could all relate to making the scones, and because all our activities were online, we had to have a little bit of control over what we showed them to begin with. So we had a really nice professional video made at the college that the students enjoyed making, of them making the scones and presenting how they did it. And then we would review the video with the seniors, and you could tell they could feel the warmth in the students. They could feel that connection. And then we were passing out the scones, and they were like, wow, this is really awesome. So I think the primary misconception is a complete lack of understanding of what dementia is. And I think as we approach the students to invite them to the program, I think we couch the invitation with, this is what it is, and this is what it isn't. So, and I think the students just really enjoyed the connection, and they really saw these people more like their grandparents or somebody in their family that they really wanted to have a deeper relationship with. So I think they all really enjoyed the connection, and we're just really excited about it first and foremost. What we were really impressed with was in Prince George at our College in New Caledonia, just how good the uptake was and how genuinely interested and supportive all the different programs in the college were. So we tried to target the broadest range of disciplines, whether it was arts or trades or health sciences. And what we found were just the interest level was very high, and people really, really were warm and open to it. So that was the biggest thing. They were really receptive, and I think there was this. We don't want to just do a simple activity once. We really want to engage in long-term change and welcome these kind of they're really exciting opportunities for students, and it really allows them to develop. And so I think everybody appreciated that.